So the first thing I want to show you that I'm going to create is a simple salad. Seriously, with those prepped ingredients, it's going to make my weeknight, meals easy, or if I want a quick lunch or something, just by having those few things prepped, I can whip up something like that to go on the side of my steak for dinner, or put a tuna next to it and have a full salad for lunch. Whatever it is, okay? So literally this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna grab a couple of things. So I usually start with my greens. So like if I have lettuce, or sometimes I'll have cabbage chopped up. It just really depends on what I bought or what I found at the markets. I don't usually really stress too much about, oh, I didn't have that ingredient or whatever else. I really just go with the flow. So hopefully you can be seeing what I'm doing, and I'm not even doing it fancy. It's literally just usually thrown in the bowl. But I do also change the ingredients depending on who's eating it. So if it's the kids, I won't add onions because my kids don't like onions, raw onions. Or if it's the husband, I'll put extra onions because he loves onion. And then literally I'm going to grab the different bowls and just scoop in the different ingredients for whoever that person is that wants to eat those different things. So I'm just winging this one. And I'm going to put some carrot, some capsicum, and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. It's actually probably a big bowl I've chosen. Some mushrooms. But add the different flavors, add the different layers. It's what's going to create a beautiful salad. If you don't eat the rainbow, then you're really not getting all the nutrients that you need. So definitely try and add color, add flavor. Actually, put that one over here. And then sometimes I'll even go and chop up things that I might have not chopped up that I might have in the fridge. Like, I don't know, like there's no cucumber here. And if this was for the kids, I'd be adding cucumber because my kids won't eat it without cucumber. My kids are cucumberholics, seriously. I go through so many cucumbers, it's insane. Not a normal amount of cucumbers. And I'm gonna add all the apple because the apple I've chopped up today, I would never add the fruit. I wouldn't leave the fruit chopped up in those containers because they won't last. They'll go brown unless you soak them in some like orange juice or lemon juice or something. It probably would be a dud. And then I'm gonna add some chicken or something to the side. Sometimes if I don't have the meats, I don't always prep them. I sometimes will add something like a tuna container, or I really like adding like roasted pumpkin or fried bacon or something like that. I think that prepping those few extra ingredients or grilling them in the oven just adds another level of flavor to your salad. And it's really not hard to do if you do it in bulk and then once again put it into those containers. It just takes your salads and things to the next level, and you don't feel like you're eating just this boring salad that has no flavor. The chicken that I've got today has got turmeric and things in it, so it's already been marinated and cooked quite nicely, so that'll be enough flavor for the salad. And then I would usually add a dressing, and then I'm just gonna add some of this herbs. So seriously, it's as simple as that. And then I'm just gonna dress it. Boom, salad done, lunch is done. Kids are happy, I'm happy. How easy is that, guys, for one meal? Now stay tuned because I'm gonna show you what else you can do.